To our hardworking principal, Sir Frederick M. Baldoza, our beloved teachers, our supportive parents, loved ones, and guardians, and to my fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to each and every one of you. As I stand here in front of everyone, I came to a realization that we graduates finally earned our triumph from our daily hard work. Along with our journey, we have our guardians and teachers who never left our side to help and secure us along the way. They will forever be my inspiration for every dream I try to pursue. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't have been the top of our class. So on this momentous day, I am here to send my gratitude and appreciation to the people who shaped me into who I am today. First of all, thank you to our Almighty God for blessing us a school year filled with strength, wisdom, knowledge, and everlasting love. Give us hope so that we can face our future with enthusiasm and an open heart. We are always grateful because you provided us with more than we could have ever imagined. Next, to our school, NAGA Central School 1. Thank you for providing us a safe place to study and a high quality of education as we walk on the next chapter of our lives. My 7 years in this school was truly a wonderful experience, and I will always be proud saying that I am a Centralista. To our beloved teachers of NAGA Central School 1, thank you for being fearless as well as an inspiration to all of us. You served as our second parent who made us disciplined and behave, and it guided us to become mature day by day. From teaching us the basics, such as reading and writing, to teaching us life lessons that we could apply not only as a student, but also as an individual. You helped us develop our skills when it comes to leadership, creativity, decision-making, problem-solving, and communication, where it led us to become the person of who we are today. Natatandaan ko pa nang naglaog pa ako sa eskwelahan ni bilang masusungkod na aki. Di ako girong-girong sa gilid, as in, nagpipansin ko lang ang mga kaklase ko kung pansinin nila akong inot. Pero naging estudyante pa ako na tipong nagsasali na permi sa mga kompetisyon, pageant, at syempre, mga quiz bees. Ang inot ko pong nasalihan ng pageant ay A1 child. Grade 2 pa ako kato, as in nanggana ako bilang second runner-up. Dahil po duman, nagtaasan sa confidence, as in mas nagtibay ang buot sa sadiri na magsali sa iba pang mga paligsahan. Kaya nakulat po ang pasasalamat ko sa mga teachers na nagtataon ng tiwala as in suporta sa bawat estudyante. Habang naghahaloy, mas nagdadakol po ang mga kompetisyon sa kung nasasalihan na siyang nagtatao sa kunin o mga paaraman. These experiences shows that you teachers play a crucial role in our lives. You helped us accomplish and grow in ways that we hadn't considered possible due to your compassion and patience. Your efforts and dedication as a teacher are truly remarkable, and you will always have a special place in our hearts. I would also like to send my deepest gratitude to my family, who became my great pillar of support on my overall existence. I would like to express my appreciation to you for giving me a strong desire to learn and for doing everything you could to set me on the path towards success. You inspire me to have faith in life's goodness despite hardships. Big thanks to my papa, who always provides the finance and giving me the strength to fight my battles. Although you're busy on work as a police officer, you never fail to support me in everything that I do. To my sisters, Christine Joy and Rachel Ann, I know you're also having a hard time with your academics, but you still make time to help me with my academic struggles and life challenges. And of course, to my mother, who's always present in all my school matter. I sincerely appreciate your love, support, and guidance on my years in elementary. You supported me on every step of my journey and protected me from every obstacle that I faced. Thank you for all the sacrifices you made that helped me reach this unforgettable milestone. If my family weren't there, I wouldn't have been here in the first place, so I owe them my victory today. To my friends and classmates who portrayed as my siblings whenever I'm not home, thank you for all the moments you cherished. Those moments when we argue regarding our availability for the practice. Those moments when we were given a chance to select our own team and never hesitated to select each other. Those times when we have to sleep over just to finish the project we were working on. I will never forget all the fails you've done, such as the time when the device we're using for the presentation didn't work and failing every move of the folk dance. Those are the moments I will never forget because of how embarrassing they were. I realized that school is actually a home where we feel the comfort of one another, a home where we find true friendship that are united until the end. Despite of the hardships that we faced, look at yourselves now. These togas and graduation hats that we're wearing right now are proof that we managed to rise and survive together. Looking at the bigger picture, I can say that my 7 years experience in NAGA Central School 1 is a roller coaster ride. I go through ups and downs and twists and turns. Just like when we ride on a roller coaster, we have a choice whether we're going to cry, laugh, or scream about it. And in my experience, I rode my life by embracing it. In this young age, people may see that I am always on the top and gaining lots of awards, but no. I also experience failures and disappointments. In my 5 years experience of joining in various contests, it's always between win or lose. However, it is a win-win for me. It doesn't mean that I don't accept failures. It's that I use my failures as my motivation to rise up again. Sometimes, it comes into my mind that what if some people are wondering, why do I keep joining in different competitions and never get tired of it? It is simply because I keep on challenging myself. I love learning new things every day, which helps me become the best version of myself. Even though I experienced failures, it didn't stop me to join in competitions. Instead, it motivated me by proving the things that I am capable of. To everyone, I would like you to challenge yourself so that you're able to push the boundaries of what you can achieve as an individual. You'll develop confidence, resilience, and determination. You'll discover new chances, set of fresh goals, and perhaps accomplishing something spectacular. Additionally, you'll have the satisfaction of having it made all for yourself. Do not be afraid of taking risks and failures, because failures provides us with a chance to pick ourselves up, learn from our mistakes, and enhance our perception of success. Although failing might be awful, William Hewell once said that every failure is a step to success. And for me, the most important thing on challenging yourself is to learn and be happy on what you're doing. That is the real definition of success. Finding knowledge and happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Christian Ray Alvarez, your class of valedictorian, saying that let us not put what they taught us in vain. Let us keep striving until we finally achieve our dreams. We may be young, but I believe that we can unlock our full potential with our effort, hard work, and perseverance. As we gather here today to celebrate a ride into new places with new people and experiences, may this day remain in your echoes as you commence on life's wonderful adventure. Congratulations, batch 2023.
Well said.